मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Oh, broke my glass. Oh, broke my glass. Tappu.
It's Tappu's mom. Oh, Ayarji. Sorry, Ayarji.
Dayaji, you?
Yes, it wasn't fun without Sonu today. So mom became a substitute.
Dayaji, I didn't expect this from you.
Ayarji, I hit a 6. Your glass just came in the way. Ayarji, please return the ball.
Leave it, Dayanti. I have a spare ball. We will continue the game.
Broke the glass with the ball and the pot with the bat. Forget the ball. You started throwing the bat as well.
Sorry, Ayarji. It happened by mistake. Give back the bat, please.
You want the bat? Here. Take it.
Ayar uncle threw the bat towards the swimming pool. Whoever reaches the pool last is the loser.
Hey, kids, wait. I'm also coming.
Sodi uncle, pass the bat, please.
No way. I won't let you mischievous kids waste my time. Yes, sir.
Look, he's your father. Say something. Yes, change of plan. Let's play hide and seek.
Not my den.
Not my den. Mom, so you be the denner. We will all hide. Okay?
Yes. Okay, then I am the dinner. It will be a lot of
Thank you, auntie.
fun. Don't mention it. Come on, I will start counting. Tick-tock 1, tick-tock 2, tick-tock 3, tick-tock 4. I'm coming to find you all. I will find you guys right now. Where are you all hiding? Oh, I can't see them anywhere. Maybe they are hiding under the water. I will empty the entire swimming pool.
What's this happening? Who emptied this pool?
Oh my goodness me! Oh dear Soni ji.
Dayaji, tell me the truth. Is this the work of those kids?
No, I drained the water to see if anyone was hiding inside the pool.
Dayaji!
Speak softly, the children are hiding. I'm trying to find them all.
Hey, bida, you're the secretary of this society. You must control Dayaji. Oh, look at her. She has become a complete child.
Calm down, Sodi. I am here. I'll do something.
Hey! Catch!
I broke my leg.
I'm sorry. Are you hurt?
Huh? Dayaji, it's a society meeting. Please come now, please.
Bhede ji, is it something important?
Huh?
If yes, then call Dad. And if it's something casual, then call Tapu's father. I'm a little busy right now.
Mom, run! Goalie's coming!
Oh my goodness me!
Huh? Yeah.
Are you okay, Babita ji?
Yes, Jetha ji. I came here to dry my hair.
Okay, if it's dry, throw it down.
Daya,
Huh?
have you also become a child along with the kids? Look at her. Poor Babita ji got hurt so badly. Babita ji, do you need anything? Medicine, water? Huh?
Jetalal, take care of yourself and your wife and child. I am here to take care of Babita.
Absolutely right, Ayyaji.
Daya, if you want to play, go and play on the ground. Huh? Not here. You all have troubled the entire society.
Dad, don't say anything to Mom. Mom, let's go. Let's play badminton.
Yeah. Hey. Oh.
This Daya auntie is playing too well. Let's increase the difficulty level for her. Pinku, come on.
Tapu, this is so much fun. Our team will definitely win. Yes.
I got it.
It's a good thing Daya auntie hit that shot and not us. Otherwise, they wouldn't have let us out of the house from tomorrow.
Hey, I get it. Now what happened to you? Oh man, get up. Have you come to your senses?
See, a moment's distraction caused a loss. Tapu, this is all because of you.
Mom, you just kept playing and playing. You weren't giving me a chance at all.
Yes, Daya auntie.
Tapu, you just kept sleeping. That's why someone had to continue the play, right?
Daya
Okay, this Dayachi is more dangerous than the kids.
And since she is an elder, we can't even say anything.
This is the best part about playing with Daya auntie.
That new elder can shout at us.
Jethalal!
Look, he is my husband, but these two are the one missing him.
Mommy, let's go.
Jethalal, listen carefully. You will definitely have to control Daya Bhabi.
I'll do it. I'll do something, brother.
Boy, don't let her play with the kids.
Huh? Okay.
Otherwise, it will become difficult for all of us to live.
There. Daya.
Tappu's father, what happened? Tell me.
Daya, I feel like eating the halwa made by your hands. Right now, please.
Huh?
Come on, let's go.
Well, it's a good thing Jethalal took Dayaji away.
At last, the trouble is avoided.
Idea. Tappu's father, nowadays you can find everything on the internet, even the recipe for halwa.
Yes, Mommy is absolutely right.
Yeah.
So today you will make halwa for all of us. I mean, for all these kids and for me.
Yeah. I should make halwa.
Yes. Until then, we will finish our last game and come back.
Yay! Tappu Sena!
Oh, no, this is a mess.
Mom, you have to aim correctly and hit this dummy donkey. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Aiming without looking is child's play for my right hand, Tappu.
Come on, Gogi.
Everybody move aside.
Auntie, over here.
No, Daya auntie, over here.
Huh?
Mom, listen to me and hit it here.
Daya! Oh! Daya! Why are you bent on messing me up?
Tappu's father, please move out of the way. Did it hit?
Not the donkey, but Jetha uncle got hit.
Oh, so your voice came from here. That donkey must be here. I am coming, donkey. Yeah. Yeah. Did it hit?
No,
Why are you saying no?
she is asking, so I'm replying.
Oh no, Miri uncle won't even spare Mom.
Huh?
Is it okay, Tappu?
Hey, the mirror is broken. But he won't even know that his scooter had fallen.
What kind of sound was that? Leave that. Today I will definitely hit the donkey. Hey, hello!
Hey, Mom, wait! Ha!
Auntie!
Mom, stop!
Oh, yeah.
Daya auntie, stop swinging the hockey stick.
Why? Did I hit that donkey?
अरे दया जी
Mom, stop! It's hit!
I aimed correctly, didn't I? Oh dear. Huh? Oh my goodness me! What has happened?
Hey, Jethalal, you don't just have to compensate for the damage.
Rather, you'll also have to find a proper permanent solution to stop Dayaji.
Hey, have some mercy on a poor person like me. At home it's bad, outside it's there.
Huh? Or Bidu hasn't even seen the condition of his scooter yet.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yes, Jethalal. Until you pay money, we will not leave you.
Daya. Did you see what you did? While playing with the kids, you emptied my pockets, Daya.
Okay, so what do you all want? Shouldn't the society's children play at all?
See, Dhire has also arrived.
Oh my god, what has happened?
My Sagaram! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Who did this?
Hey, Bhide, this time it wasn't Tappu. It's Dayaji who has destroyed the entire society.
Yes, sir. You take all your refund from Jethalal.
Daya, because of you, I have to listen to so many taunts. I will talk to you when I get home, Daya.
Hey, listen.
First pay for the damage that has happened in the entire society, then you will be allowed to go home.
Guys, today I learned a new game from my aunt's place. It was a lot of fun, but it requires 6 players.
Dayanti! Huh?
Shall we play another game?
Absolutely. Tappu's father, the children are calling. So I will just go and play another game, okay? Yeah!